want to talk to you today about being careful on what you say and your actions. You see, many times we have a tendency to allow ourselves to make decisions based on emotions, especially when emotions are running high. What we should be doing is we should be focusing on what is right before us. So if you say one thing but your actions show different, you are exposing yourself to the other person on what your intentions truly are. Here's an example. If you say that you will always be there to support in any way, shape, or form, but your actions are your phone is off, you don't talk to that person as often as you used to, and you do talk about that person to others, that shows your true nature of what your intent was from the get-go. So you need to make sure that you understand what it is you are doing, because if you don't, it can lead towards something that you weren't prepared to handle. So make sure that you understand what you are doing when you are doing what you're doing, because if you don't, you will find yourself without one or the other. Don't stop, don't quit, keep moving forward.